Profile optimization is often overlooked on LinkedIn, although it determines whether you get 3 or 2,000 profile views from leads. It also makes the difference between someone landing on your page and bouncing off versus landing on your page and booking a call, visiting your website, or engaging your content. In this video, I'll share with you a step-by-step plan to optimize your LinkedIn profile so you can attract and retain high-value clients. The best part is, I'll show you how to do this even if you have no writing or design experience because we'll be using the best free AI tools. Hi, I'm Dayo, and on this channel, we explore how you profitably grow your business with strategy-led digital marketing. Today, I'll help you craft your perfectly generating LinkedIn profile with the help of AI. So, LinkedIn has over 1 billion members. How do you use profile optimization to stand out, attract and retain high-value clients? It starts with defining your target audience. Who are you trying to attract as a client? Understanding your prospects will help you tailor your profile so they find you easily. Find out about their demographics, their psychographics, pain points, and needs. For optimizing your LinkedIn profile, you'll find information like your target audience's occupation, income, pain points, and needs particularly useful. This information can help you craft a profile that speaks to your prospects and resonates with them. You become their trusted ally rather than a stranger on the internet when you understand them and your profile reflects that. For example, if you're a realtor targeting first-time home buyers, a little research will help you figure out that a typical pain point for this target audience is affordability. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your profile to speak to your understanding of this pain point and how you help it take it away. More on this when we get to other sections of this video. Now that you have a better understanding of your target audience, what's the next thing to do? Your picture is an important part of your profile. A picture that shows your face ensures your leads can identify and trust you. The ideal profile picture will be high-res with a clean neutral background and soft lighting. It should also be free of distractions so attention is not stolen away from you. Your LinkedIn cover image is your canvas to reinforce who you are as a professional. It should be sized properly to render well on all devices and complement your photo. Try to include all the important elements of your cover image in the central area so they don't get blocked off on mobile devices. With formatting out of the way, what should you include in your cover image? Well, you can keep it simple by making your personal or company brand identity elements the focus of your cover image. This can be your brand name, logo, tagline, team photo, and so on. They help you create a cohesive look and communicate who you are as a professional. Another category of elements you can add to your cover photo is your skills or services. You can showcase your work in any form or the services you render. As a graphic designer, you can feature some of your top designs. As a realtor, you can give details about your focus and how you help your clients. Social proof also works well as an element in your cover photo. Things like testimonials or endorsements in your cover photo establish you as a thought leader in your industry, someone your target audience can rely on to deliver what you promise. You can also feature your pictures in a professional setting. For example, a photo of you presenting at a conference, leading a meeting, closing a deal, or handing the key to a property to your client as a realtor. If you have little design experience, you can use Canva to create your cover image. There are tons of free templates you can easily edit and use on the platform. You can upload your new cover photo by clicking on the camera icon or your background image space and then the edit background photo button. Once you've uploaded your cover photo, the next section that you need to optimize is your headline. Your LinkedIn profile headline is a line of text that appears immediately below your name. You have just 220 characters for this, and it is important you nail it. This means it must be relevant to your intended audience, keyword rich, and very concise. This is because your name and headline are the two most visible pieces of information that will represent you on LinkedIn. They appear in your profile, posts, comments, connection requests, and even search results. Even your target audience decides whether to engage you or not based on your headline. In a LinkedIn poll of 1,189 people, 46% said the headline was the most important section of any profile. The experience section came second with 30% of the votes, while the about section came third with 24%. Now, the type of headline you will use will depend on what you are trying to convey, your experience and your expertise. If you are just starting out in your industry with little to no experience under your belt, you can use the value-oriented headline. This type of headline tells people how you can offer them value. Think of it as a hook that captures their attention and encourages them to engage you. For example, as a realtor targeting first-time home buyers, you can say, I help first-time home buyers get their dream homes within budgets. If you work for a well-known company or are a thought leader in your field, you can use the job role headline. For example, top-rated realtor as eXp Realty, host of Residential Real Estate Pro Radio. Another way to create a captivating headline is to show your achievements. Show the exact figures of your results. This approach works well since it helps you prove your credibility. For example, I facilitated the purchase of over 200 million in residential homes. You can also mix these three types of headlines. In this case, you have something like top-rated realtor at eXp Realty. I help first-time home buyers get their dream homes within budget. I facilitated the purchase of over 200 million in residential homes. Please, do not make any claim that is false or can't be verified. People will eventually find out that you lied, and the consequences for that can range from minor inconveniences to major sanctions on and off LinkedIn. Now, you might not be trained in copywriting and your headline might be difficult to write. That is where AI comes in. It can quickly and easily generate headline ideas for you based on the prompts you give it. Do not take AI generative content as final though. You need to edit and polish it to make it unique and representative of your intent and brand. Expand on your headline with your LinkedIn About section. It is sometimes referred to as the profile summary. The first 265 characters of your summary are what your prospect will see before they need to click the See More button to view your full summary. So, you want to make sure you hook them in this amount of characters by stating who you are, what you do, and what your unique value proposition for them is. AI can also help you generate profile summary ideas. Just give it some information about who you are as a professional, what your goal for your client is, and what is your unique offer. I was able to quickly and easily generate attention-grabbing profile summaries based on my headline using this free AI tool. I just gave the tool my mixed headline, the tone of voice I want for my summary, and my email. One of the summaries was written in a casual tone, while the other one in a more friendly tone. The tone you ultimately use will depend on what your personal or company brand tone is. Ensure you also edit and polish your AI-generated summary before uploading it. This will help you make the summary more personalized and concise. You should also add your top 5 skills to your profile summary as this show prominently on your profile. Show people the skills you can use to help them achieve their goals. The features section is also an important part of your profile. You can use this to highlight significant achievements, notable projects, media mentions, and so on. To view this features section, you must first add it to your profile. You can feature posts or articles you've published, external links to your website, videos. You can also feature images, presentations, and documents. Say you have a lead magnet for first-time home buyers. You can show this prominently in your feature section on your profile. You can rearrange your featured items to display them more strategically. Just click the edit icon, the arrows, then move them as you deem fit. Populate your experience sections with experiences that are relevant to your leads. Emphasize your value by using bullet points to demonstrate your impact in your previous or current roles. Quantify your achievements, write in an active voice, use relevant keywords and metrics. You can also use AI to generate ideas for descriptions that fit the aforementioned criteria. I created a prompt that generates ideas for this using ChatGPT. As always, we are not looking for final copy here. We are just looking for ideas to edit and polish. It's a good practice to add relevant media and skills to your positions in the experience section. For example, what are the skills you use when fulfilling your duties as a real estate agent? This could be negotiation skills, real estate transactions, and so on. If you have a picture of you closing a deal with your client, you can add this to this section. That said, your work history shouldn't be limited to full-time positions. You can include part-time positions, contract roles, freelance positions, internships, and even volunteer jobs. Include any relevant educational qualification in your profile too. Add transferable skills to your profile and provide context to them by adding where you've used or acquired them. This can be through experience, certification, or education. People can endorse you for the skills you add to this section. Recommendations. Recommendations are a very important part of your profile. They are visible to everyone who visits your profile. They are essentially your past clients or associates telling your new and prospective clients how credible you are. People tend to trust recommendations on and off LinkedIn. They are like the important reviews you check before buying anything on Amazon, but for LinkedIn. Add the recommendation section to your profile if you can see it. Then you can request recommendations from anyone you are currently connected to. You'll be prompted to select your relationship with the person, select the position you held when you work with them. LinkedIn populates this drop-down list from the jobs you've added to your profile. You also need to add a personalized message to your request. Licenses and certification. Including your licenses and certifications in your profile is an effective way to presenting more social proof to your leads. For example, if you're a licensed realtor, you can include this in this section. You can also include certificates from any professional courses you've done. Certain certificates can be verified directly from your profile. You need to add this section to your profile if you can't see it. Click on the Add Profile section button, then add licenses and certificates. Update your business contact information. Things like your business email, phone number, and so on should be up to date. You should also create a personalized LinkedIn URL. I suggest you use your name for your URL as it will be easy to remember and share with your associates. A custom LinkedIn URL gives you a professional image. Ensure you complete all the sections of your profile that we've discussed in this video. Doing this will help your leads find your profile more easily. Completed sections also get 30% more weekly views on LinkedIn. Optimizing your profile by completing these sections will also help you gain a favorable first impression when your leads find and review your profile. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is a necessity if you are looking to get clients and build your business profitably with the platform. I hope you found this video helpful in optimizing your profile. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you are yet to. See you next time when I bring you more helpful content on how you profitably grow your business with strategy-led digital marketing. Cheers.